The reason why I closed it, because exactly this, look, I've been holding this F trade since Tuesday, 27th of May, and I closed it, this last week on Wednesday. Why? Because we're just going up and down, and it just cannot just make down mind. So I decided I'm just gonna close it, because look, we went to profit. We went to profit, we came back, retest, went into profit, came back, retest. Went into profit, we almost hit my profit target, which was 1 to 2, but it did only 1 to 8. Let's see. Yeah, it did like 1 to 8 almost. My profit target was 1 to 2. And then it came back all the way, making 4-hour bullish again, break above these previous highs. So making this 4-hour chart bullish again. And when I saw that, it came back down here in the profit again, and then I saw it again on 1 hour, I believe. I think it was 1 hour. Let's see. Yes, it was bearish 1 hour, and then we became bullish again on 1 hour and kind of consolidating. When I saw this bullish engulfing on 1 hour, this exactly, I decided I'm just gonna close it. I'm not gonna hold it, because if this position wants to go into the profit target, it would already did.